Hey beauties, welcome back to another Spruce Please video. So today I'm going to be creating this spring makeup look for you today. It's very bright and I really wanted to create different type of makeup look using more oranges. So I've seen a lot of yellow makeup looks for spring and yellow doesn't really suit me all that much. It kind of washes and or blends into my skin. So orange is the next best colour for me, so I thought I'd create this spring look for you today. So if you want to find out how I created this look, then keep on watching. So the first shade that we're going to dip into is this one right here. It's just like a really light pink colour, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. You can't really see this on me, but it's a really nice base shade. Next we're going to take this shade right here and I'm going to blend that into my crease. This is just a really nice orange terracotta shade. Perfect for spring or even summer. I think this look can really work for summer as well. These shades are so pigmented. Now we're going to dip into this reddy orange shade and we're just going to intensify the crease. Start on the outer corner and drag it in. Be sure to leave this gap as free as possible in the centre of your eye. That's where we're going to apply the shimmer shade. Now I'm going to take some concealer. I'm just going to apply that in the centre of my eye. Now I'm going to dip into this shimmer shade right here. Just going to pat that over the concealer. Using this brush makes it so easy because it takes up so much space. Now I'm going to dip back into this shade right here and apply that to my outer and inner corner. And what this does, it just blends that shade in with the rest of the eyeshadow. I'm just going to take a flatter brush from my inner corner. And it just gets rid of the harsh lines. Take that shimmer shade again and just reapply. And then what I'm going to do is take another fluffy brush, dip into this yellow shade. I'm going to just apply that to my brow slightly, just blending that in, adding just a little bit more colour. Now taking a smaller brush, we're going to take the yellow shade and this terracotta shade. Start with the yellow first, then apply to the lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup and I'll jump back on camera and show you the finished look. So that's it beauties, this is the final look. It's very, very spring summer. I love the pops of orange and I love how warm it looks. It's very different from a soft glam. It's very bright, very colourful, but it's also very beautiful for spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!